The Heirloom weapons in Apex Legends. They are the rarest of all items you can get in Apex. A year ago, I became so frustrated that I wasn't able to get the only heirloom weapon at the time, Wraith's dagger, and it became so frustrating that I decided to make my own, and I just made 3 more. One's already gone, so I'm down to 2, so if you're looking to pick one up, LeShaneSteel.com. So without further ado, this is how I made 3 kunais inspired by Wraith's throwing knife. So after I hardened and tempered the blades, I started finishing them. And it was then that I noticed that one of the blade's tips was just too thin for comfort. If you saw my original making of a kunai knife video, I don't want that to happen again. So I ground that tip down into the thicker material, so it's a little shorter, but it's a much stouter tip, so it should be able to handle smacking into things that, you know, a normal, you know, hunting or a kitchen knife would never be able to get away with. There you have it, 3 kunais based off of Wraith's heirloom knife. First video upload in a while. I got a ton of footage standing by. I just gotta, you know, edit it down and get it posted. Hopefully the next one will be up next week. That'd be cool. These 2 are still available, so get them before they're gone, LeShaneSteel.com. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more, check out the first video if you haven't seen it, or if you have seen it. Next video will be out soon, and I'll see y'all then.